said,
See that shit?
he said that's a lot.
Infrared. Oh wait,
He said he's like that's a lot of pants. Well, it's cold outside.
that is a lot of pants, too. If that cop had to sleep outside, he'd have lots of pants on his ass too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's the alarm for the shipyard.
If you want a picture of the future, imagine a boot stamping on a human face forever. Don't let it happen. It depends on you.
There's the Bobsey twins right there.
There he is. You missed it all.
Nah. I'm just taking a different angle. I was trying to get from a different angle because they said they were running after him on the scanner.
Oh no. Yeah, but he ran right here and he told him to sit down right here on the curb.
Okay, yeah. I didn't know. I was just trying to hit from a different side so we could pincer him.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
What's up, guys?
Hey, how are you?
Look at those things. You can't out now, does
No.
So, look, Mike.
Yeah.
The whole window and the door is broken.
No, I see it.
He broke it all in there and got in there.
This is the
Okay, so he tried to smash and grab the.
glass door.
Oh, when we walked up, all he yelled was, "I was on the fucking payphone."
Right, there ain't no payphone in there.
I guess he was trying to get the payphone.
Well, yeah, you get paid if you grabbed a handful of his phones.
Pay and go phones.
Yeah, paying. So yeah, whole lot of glass from the window. This is like a Samsung store or whatever.
I think it's 18. Oh, Sprint.
Sprint, yeah, Sprint store. Fun. You like snuck up on me like a ninja too. I didn't even see you. You don't like turn around and like I'm being stalked.
I'm not sure if you're recording. I was.
Jump out of the bushes. Scare the piss out of me.
The funnest until you get socked.
What's up?
So that's the funnest until you get socked, and then you're like, oh shit, didn't mean to scare you.
Yeah, I gotta report some domestic abuse. You know, Ruthless. You can report it if your girl's smacking you around. You can tell the cops, but
You're not making it any better, damn it.
I'm not making it any better.
Why do you say like that, though? What's up, Randy?
Like I disrespected you or something.
You know nobody disrespecting anybody, man. You know we don't fight. We don't argue.
Definitely not arguers.
Oh, I am. If you make me. They just don't want you guys sneaking up on them. That's it. That's
Man,
all.
we're just YouTubers. That's all.
We don't mean no harm.
You know what I want is like I would love to have like universal high vis shit that we wear, so you guys can see it real quick. Oh, that's a cop watcher, like something that's unique to us. I think that might be cool. Because
Yeah,
then,
that'd be good.
I mean, yeah.
Just because you're a cop watcher doesn't mean you're not dangerous to
Well,
people.
yeah, but like,
So
but I
be aware
understand.
of everybody.
Yeah, but I mean, it might make shit easier for you guys, so you could know that, like, you know, they're just guys with cameras.
Everybody knows you for the most part, but I hear what you're saying.
Yeah.
Maybe a belt or a vest. Or
Yeah.
whatever, that'd be nice.
But no, I mean, random citizens still get all kinds of crazy beefy with us if we're like just filming
Well,
because they don't know. Yeah.
That's a good point. Yeah.
This is really cinematic. I love the colors. Love all this. Like, actually, it's good B-roll for my like little videos at the beginning and ending of stuff.
Did he break that bottle down there, too?
I don't know the details of what he did.
But they already got him in the car, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna end this video here because there's no reason to film any further. So thanks a lot for speaking with us. Good to see you as well. So yeah, they brought the guy out, so I'm gonna film and put him in the car. What?
Then they walk by. Yeah, put that out. Yeah. That's why you wait to the end.
Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Ruthless Cop Watcher. Like and subscribe. More subscribers, better cameras.
Yeah,
Like and subscribe.
yeah, did what he did, and I seriously doubt your camera's better than the one I got in my hand.
Hey, go fund me $10,000. Don't forget, Ruthless Cop Watcher. Like and subscribe. Channel, just mine. No, just playing. Go to Robert West. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
But don't forget the man behind the camera. What? Let me see here.
Mr. Mikey Blue Hair.
Let me see. You ready? You ready?
What's up? This is my cop watching gang signs. It's like this,
What?
and like this, and like fucking.
Make sure you subscribe to his channel.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I miss him driving down the street with his door open.
Who?
That cop right there.
Him right there?
Yeah.
270184.
Yeah.
I think they did it to like hit the guy with the car door. That would have been messed up.
That would have been 20 points.
That would have not have been 20 points. That would have been bad.
Stop! Fuck you,
All
cop!
those-
Boom! Like Super Troopers.
all those had our cameras off.
Dude, 2015 Halloween night, dude. I filmed a guy dressed as Officer Dangle beat up a dude dressed as Superman.
What the fuck?
Yeah, dude. Fake handcuffs and short shorts and everything. Well, I didn't see the actual fight. I saw the aftermath, and Superman got all fucked up. His face was like, blood was just pouring down his face.
Yeah,
The video is called like, yeah. Real life Officer Dangle is like a re-edit I just did of it. It's fucking funny as shit, dude. But like, Dangle literally had little brown short shorts and the fake handcuffs and the whole outfit, the fucking sunglasses, everything.
He said,
See that shit?
he said that's a lot.
Infrared! Oh wait,
He said he's like that's a lot of pants. Well, it's cold outside.
that is a lot of pants, too. If that cop had to sleep outside, he'd have lots of pants on his ass too.
Oh yeah.
The alarm for the shipyard.
I think that guy went pee-pee.
Okay, mama. Oh, that's salt with a finger.
Salt with a deadly finger.
Burlington, Washington.
Look at a bunch of cop watchers mating, all standing shoulder to shoulder with their cameras and shit.
Scammers. You love boy.
Figure that Puget Sound Naval Shipyard just got that boat away. Where do you think we are? We're in Oregon, the city of Portland, Oklahoma County. It's a place that hired me on shop 71 sandblast paper tile set out of Burlington, Washington, which is a Puget Sound Naval Shipyard.
Looks like he was telling the cops that he just wanted to use the payphone.
when he was sitting down,
Curb?
so he sat down on the curb, he was like, I just want to use a fucking payphone. That's all I heard.
Okay.
Something about a payphone.
Well, maybe this is a total mental illness thing, and he didn't know, like, what the hell's really happening here. Because he seems way out of it, dude.
He does.
And he doesn't look drunk to me. I think he's maybe schizophrenic or just having some kind of real hard time mentally right now. Hey Lee, how you doing? All right.
Yeah, but didn't we just see the other night? Keep running into each other. When we gonna go have some donuts or some dinner or something? Yeah.
Are you flirting with Lee?
No. That would be bribing.
That'd be bribing? Yeah. You can't take it. Lay? Lay. Okay. Well, no, I like figuring out how to pronounce stuff right, so I appreciate it.
I haven't seen you with them for a while, Mike.
Well, you know, I've been trying to like make my videos pretty and stay home and like actually try to produce crap and make it look good and not like do a quality over quantity thing. But you'll see me more this summer. I've decided to like,
Trying to be like
get my
Dr. Dre,
butt out
hey.
here, you know.
Coming that season.
Yep.
Have a good night.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.
The camera is your protection because they don't want to screw up while you're filming them. They don't want to lose their paycheck just the same as anybody. So don't ever stop. Stay calm and keep filming.
You